No internet access. Connected to Wi-Fi but there is no internet access. Right click to troubleshoot problem. Detecting problems. Select Wi-Fi because I am using Wi-Fi. DHCP is not enabled for Wi-Fi. Dynamic host configuration protocol is not enabled for Wi-Fi. Solution. Open control panel. View network status and task, then change adapter settings. Right click adapter, Wi-Fi adapter, go to properties, double click internet version protocol version 4. Here I am using same IP for both IP address and default gateway, that is 192.168.1.1. So change the IP as 192.168.1.2, or else you can select obtain an IP address automatically to enable DHCP. Apply OK. Now internet connection problem solved. There is internet access. Subscribe.